Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to send voice messages in Zangi. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well, so worry not. Now let's simply look at how to send the voice message. For instance, let's say I enter any chat interface right now. And guys, this is it. This is the group that I had created. Now let's simply say I want to send a voice message. At the bottom of the screen, as you guys can see, there are multiple options. Right here on the bottom right, you can see a microphone button right here. Simply click and hold on it, and as such, you can send the voice message. But do note that you need to have provided the microphone permissions. I'm gonna do it right now. I'm simply gonna click on this microphone icon right here. And guys, this is it. As you can see, the voice message is being sent. Once you are okay with it, simply leave this button right here. And guys, that is it. As you can see, we have sent a voice message in Zangi. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.